lovely dish. It's cornbread. Yes, it's not cake. It's cornbread. It's Jiffy cornbread, and I put my own little stuff in it. It basically might as well be cake. But it's Jiffy. You know how we do with this Jiffy cornbread, y'all. It's nice and moist. And, ooh, it's going to be so good. Got the butter on the top. Great, put the foil on there and get to work. I'm having a dilemma. I'm going to go to the office Christmas party. It's 12 o'clock noon. Today's December 14th. And I want to know, I'm going to have to pick myself, but I can't get the answer from you all. Which one you think? The white furry loafers or the painful red shoe? You know, you got to be cute. I got to break them in. They're brand new. I think I'm going with the red shoe. It's like the loafer. You want me to see the loafer, you won't see the gold part on the loafer, so that's the part that kind of sucks. You'll just see that because it's a white leg pant. But with the red shoe, see, people, the hard decisions we have to make. But this is the outfit I am wearing. I'm going with the red shoe. Going with the red shoe. So, have a quick unboxing and I'm bagging. It's two different items from two different places. I have this from Hoop Mob. This is from Monroe Steele's Hoop Mob earring collection. They're an earring company on Instagram. And I saw her earrings on her channel and I wanted some of them. I didn't get all of them. I got most of them from the Hoop Mob and Monroe Steele collection. And I also bought another one of these. Big old box from Brandon Blackwood. Let's open it on up. See what we got. Y'all should know if y'all saw my last Brandon Blackout unboxing. Let me get it out. It's about to get cold this winter, y'all. And that other one was so nice, I had to get another color. I had to get it in another color. But it's the Brandon Blackwood New York coat. Y'all saw it in the tan or camel color, whatever y'all want to call it, khaki color. More like camel color. And I love this so much. And it's still on sale. It's still on sale, people, for $100. And you could do the pay in 4. That's what I did. Paid $25 every 2 weeks. The regular price of this coat is $385. And it's been on sale since before Black Friday. So it might stay on sale to the end of the year. You never know. It might just stay on sale. You never know. But I think at the beginning of the year, stuff might go back to the regular price. But I got it in the black. Look at it in the black. Oh, my gosh. It's so beautiful. I didn't even know it came in black, too. Until somebody asked me and I went and looked. I was like, oh, it does come in black. And the black's on sale for $100, too. The other one was so comfortable and so warm, I had to get this one. Had to get it. And to the Hoop Mob, let's get to that unboxing. Unbagging. I'll put the prices of these items below. I already told you the coat was $100. These earrings, the prices are on this thing, so I don't have to put them below. I can just tell you what I paid. So they came individually. These, it's 2 pair in here, I think, and then 1 pair in here. So about 3 pairs of the earrings. And I used the code WELCOME15 and got 15% off. Just the word welcome and the number 15. So y'all could try that code too. I'll be Googling for codes and stuff, and that one worked. WELCOME15 got 15% off. And this is the little Hoop Mob box. Ooh, they're big and cute. Look at these earrings, y'all. Look at these earrings. Cute, cute, cute. How cute. That's the front. This is the back, but how cute. I think these are called the Barclays. And I got them in the silver. It's the silver Barclays. You know, like the Barclay Arena in Brooklyn, New York. Yep, Barclays. Let's open this other package. See what I got in here. I know what I got, but y'all don't know yet. Okay, that one was easy to open. This one wants to be a problem. It's just tearing instead of opening. See, it's just tearing into pieces. Hold on. Instead of opening, I have to get rough with it to get it open and stop just tearing off. Okay, I think I got it open. Ooh, don't want to open. There we go. Now I got this stuff sticking all on my fingers. Annoying. Annoying. Okay, now I'm being annoying. Another Hoop Mob box. And they are the Barclays in the gold. The Barclays in the gold. Yes, yes, yes. That's the back. This is the front. Cute, 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 cute. And the Barclays were $22. I think that's what it says. Hold on. Yeah, $22. But I got it because it's Monroe Steele's collection. But Hoop Mob has very affordable other earrings. I bought earrings before because Monroe Steele had shown them. It wasn't her collection, but she shown some. And I was like, well, if you go on Instagram and find Hoop Mob. And then these cute. And these are called the Kiss and Tails. Because it's a nose and a lips. Look at that. The Kiss and Tail earrings. Aren't these cute? They're different. It's nose and lips. And then like a Aztec or African-like print, a travel print. That's it, a travel-like print or something. But how cute. I'm so happy about it. Those were $24. I'm so happy about it. They come with the gold backs on them, and they also have the plastic backs inside the box. So you get 2 backs. I'm happy about it. We're going to try this coat on, try these earrings on. Let's get to it. This coat is a medium. The last coat I got was a large, but I see it was so big I figured I could fit this medium one. So I hope so, because they didn't have any more larges. So that's why I got the medium, because I said I should still be able to fit the medium, just because the large fits so big. The large was comfortable, though. Ooh, this is comfortable, too. Yeah, the medium's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. The medium is good. I'm so happy it is. I figured it would be. Like I said, because it's big as the largest. Let's see if I can zip this medium, though. Let's see if I can zip it. That's the key. That's the ticket. Yep, I can zip it. So this medium is good. If you're a normal large, then you can fit the medium in this Brandon Blackwood coat as well. Because it's, I guess it's oversized. But I love it. And it had, other thing made me fall in love is the pockets are not only this way, it has a whole nother pocket under. It's a different pocket. It's not even the same one. It's a fuzzy pocket on the inside. That's why I fell in love with it. Because I was like, oh my gosh, it has a regular pocket if you want to do your hands like this on the side pocket and front pockets. All functional. These are 2 different pockets. And these pockets are this pocket is just one pocket here. It's functional as well. But I love this thing. And you don't have to pop the collar up. It's just on those extremely cold days you pop the collar up. So yeah, I love it. Just like I love the tan one, khaki one, whatever color, camel color, whatever you want to call it. All right, and I have these earrings. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thumbs up and subscribe. And next is a clip from the next video. But thank y'all. Be blessed and be a blessing. Deuces. See y'all in the next video. Bye, lifers, and welcome newcomers. Bye. Ignore those kids in the background. Look at it. I think you. Ah, I saw it. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Anyway, let's get to these ugly shoes, and we're gonna see how I style them at the end of this video. Oh, pick this box up. Oh, this is the box. Oh, the big box of ugly shoes. And I'll put the prices below, and I will put the links in the description box. Look at this box. It's golden. Okay, this is the fuzzy sandal. That's what that is. And it was not $79.90. It was on sale for $15. I've been seeing people wearing these things in other brands. Like Burberry has one, and some other, I think Gucci has one. But I'm not doing Burberry and Gucci prices, okay? So we went on with Akira. And here we go, y'all. Y'all see what I mean by what people call ugly, but I'm gonna style them. Ooh, look at the feather already coming. I'm gonna have to shake it so I can get all the feathers. It's just gonna come off. It's gonna come off. But yeah, this.